Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Ray Stars React. Today we are going to react to Mwen Di Ou Awa by Kassav. Kassav is one of those iconic groups out of the Caribbean, very famous. They are the ones who we would say that they are the originators of Zouk music. They hail from Guadeloupe, and then later on, some other members from Martinique joined them. This song is with Jacques Devarier and Georges Dessumis. Let's get into it. Man, listen to that bass line. Listen to that funky bass line. Oh, that grooves you, huh? Well, fun fact, I had a chance to see Kassav in concert twice. And I gotta tell you, you should put Kassav on your bucket list, okay? Because they give like a great concert. They give a great concert. And if you are ever interested in Zouk or any French Caribbean music, I think it's a great introduction to start with Kassav, okay? Because you will not go wrong. Those two guys together, Jacques Devarier and Georges Dessumis, great combination, great combination. And later on, of course, Jocelyn joined them and Naimro joined them. It's a great group. And unfortunately, Jacob is no longer with us, but the music still remains. Okay, so let's get back to that bass line. It's Kassav, Mwen Di Ou Awa. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's hit it. Awa. This is a great one. Great one from Kassav. Mwen Di Ou Awa. I hope you totally enjoyed it. There's more to come. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It doesn't matter whatever language you speak. Music is music, and we are introducing the French Caribbean music here, all right, and the Latino music as well. Starz for Starz reaction saying, see you on the next one, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.